Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you all how to remove the EGR valve from any Fiat Talento from the year 2016 and up. So today I'm working on this car. This car is made in the year 2019 and it has the engine 1.6 diesel. So as you can see, this is the EGR valve on this car. This is where it's installed. You'll have to lift up all of this wiring, you'll have to remove a lot of connectors, and the EGR valve is mounted with two screws which are securing it mounted to the car. So in my case, I couldn't film the whole process because the owner of the car is right here with me, it's watching me, so I have to do some shortcuts and show you all only where the EGR valve is located and how it's looking. So as you can see, I removed it from the car. You'll have to remove this metal bracket which is mounted normally underneath this wiring and is mounted to the car with one 10mm bolt. Right here I have the metal gasket which is mounted over the EGR valve, and you'll have to make sure to not lose it, and you'll have to make sure to install it correctly, because if you don't install it correctly or if you lose it, the EGR valve will lose a lot of pressure and it will not work properly. Also, I removed a lot of screws and bolts which are securing the intake manifold hoses, for example. This is the fuel line which is going into the engine, and as you can see, I disconnect it from right here. And I lift it up because in this way I was able to put the tubes and also all the pipes away, and in this way I have enough space to lift the EGR valve from the car. After that, you have to remove the coolant expansion tank. You'll have to remove it from the front part of the vehicle, and you'll have to put it away because in this way you'll have more space to put your hands and tools inside down there. Alright everybody, so as you can see right here, I cleaned the EGR valve very good. This is how it's looking. I cleaned it the best I could. It's a little bit difficult to clean it inside it, but it can be done. As you can see, this is how it's looking, and now all I have to do is to mount it back on the car. I'll have to install everything back on the car. I'll have to install the pipes and all the connectors. And for example, in my case, when I removed it from the car in the first time, I had to wiggle it around it. I have to move it left and right, up and down a little bit, and eventually it did came out from the engine, but it was hitting into the wiring from the top. So you'll have to pull also the wiring. You'll have to pull it hard at the top of the EGR valve, and in this way you'll have to make sure that you have enough space to lift it up and put it away from the vehicle. So also, as you can see this sensor from right here, you'll have to disconnect the connector from the sensor, and after that you can put everything back together and install it like it was before. So as you can see, this is how to remove the EGR valve from any Fiat Talento from the year 2016 and up. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.